Book 4. Hello olgeta friend. God I like mo I look out long ol man me ol listen mo folem talk long him. Listen good long ol story. Time you stop look ol picture long yellow book. Look long nara picture time you harem noise. Picture 1. Family where he run away long hard time. Ruth chapter 1 verse 1 to 5. God he make him every man, be rapis fasten long man he make him only go way long him. Now God he choose all man Israel, long only save him more only make him worship long him. Be some man Israel too only stop make him in a good long God. Only stop make him worship long all narafala kiaman God, say mark long all narafala man. Now God he give him hard time long all man Israel, long make him all kada, long only come back long him. Now he got one family where only one them long go long one narafala country where name long him mob, long find him kakai. Only stop long narafala country ya go ka same time where papa long all kada itiet. Now to fala boya tu I married long 2 woman long country ya mob. Mo to fala tu itiet long way. Now all lithi mama ya stop with them to fala girl plong boy plong hem all stop long country ya. Picture 2. Naomi mo Ruth I come back long Israel. Ruth chapter 1 verse 6 to 22. Mama plong family ya name plong hem Naomi. Tufala wife plong tufala boy plong hem name plong tufala Ruth mo Oba. Now Naomi it decide plong go back long country ya Israel. Ruth mo Oba I go with them hem. Now Naomi I tell him long tufala plong go back. From one him you tufala I stop behind long me. Pampai mi no mo save karem ol pikinini poi pagaken plong I kam ol man plong you tufala. God I tanem pak side plong hem long mi finish. Oba I kiss long Naomi mo I go back long house plong papa mo mama plong hem. Pe Ruth I holem tight Naomi mo talem say, you no make me leko you. We blessed by you go long hem by me too me go long hem. All man plong you, only all man plong me. Mo God plong you, he me God plong me. Mo Ruth I go with them Naomi long Bethlehem, long country ya Israel. Picture 3. Ruth I stop long Karen where I rere. Ruth chapter 2 verse 1 to 23. Naomi mo Ruth I pua tumas. Mo Ruth I talem long Naomi say, please you let me go long one Karen all pali where all man plong walk only mess them. Hemi go long one Karen where all workman all stop kargarem out all pali long hem. Ona plong Karen ya name plong hem Boaz. Hemi ask him all workman plong hem about narafala woman ya where he stop long Karen. Only tell him say, woman mobia where he come with him Naomi. Boaz emi harem say hemi good tumas long anti plong hem. Hemi look say hemi one good fala man plong walk. Now emi tell him long Ruth, you stop with him all workman plong me, cause same time only finish him good pali plong me. Emi tell him long all workman plong him, plong all stop look out good long him. Believe him some pali plong him plong. Hemi pick him up long afternoon. Ruth I talk about all good fala fashion plong Boaz long Naomi. Now Naomi I tell him say, God by I bless him. Hemi one close nephew plong Yumi. Picture 4. Ruth mo Boaz I stop long room plong Genesis. Ruth chapter 3 verse 1 to 18. Time where one man itet long Israel, narafala nephew blong hem, where I close up long hem is save, maratem wife blong hem. One day Naomi italem long Ruth say, Pampai me must find him one man blong you stop with him. Now Pampai you stop long one, different home blong you. Boas, hemi nephew blong you me. Long sapa, ya Pampai oli clean him all pali. Ikut you swim mo putum kut fala close, mo go long place where hemi stop Chinese long hem. Watch him good place where hemi sleep. More time hemi sleep, you go sleep close up long leg long hem. Ruth I make him all same where Naomi italem long hem. Time pawas I wake up, I look him Ruth, I stop sleep close up long leg long hem. Now italem long hem say, Ruth, buy me make him every something where you ask him. From say every man only serve say you one good fella woman. Picture 5. Boaz mo all elders plong Bethlehem. Ruth chapter 4 verse 1 to 22. Boaz hemi sing out them all elders plong only come together long gate plong Bethlehem. One more nephew plong hem got right plong maritem Ruth first time. Be everyone only agree say Boaz is save karem hem plong silem agreement. By nephew I give him shoe long hem. Hemia one custom long Israel. Mo Boaz I take him Ruth also wife long hem. Tufala I got one pikinini boy named long hem Obed. Now woman ya I tell him long Naomi say, praise him God, hemi give him you one small pupu long isave look out him you. Pikinini girl long sister long you, I love him you. Hemi make him good long you beat him all 7 pikinini boya. All friend, Ruth I find him one good fella something, time him is save him God, mo all people belong him. Now Obed I come, pupu belong David where him I big fella king belong Israel. Picture 6. Mary mo angel belong God. Luke chapter 1 verse 26 to 38. Planted generation I pass after long Ruth. God I choose out one narafala woman pagaken, blong emi save hem. Name blong hem Mary, hemi come out long line blong Ruth. Mary emi one young fella girl we in no married yet. Only promise hem blong stop with him Joseph. Be before to fella I married, one angel blong God I come out long Mary. Hemi tell him say, you no fright Mary, you find him peace finish with them God. Pampai you pon him one pikinini boy mo pai you put name plong him Jesus. Hem pampai is straight pikinini plong high God. Now Mary italem long angel say, me man plong walk no more. I could plong hem I make him all same way you tell him long me. Now tapu spirit I come long Mary. Now emikat pel mo I pon him one small pikinini boy. Mary ika mama plong Jesus, we hemi pikinini plong God. Picture 7. Hannah I pray iko long high God. 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 1 to 20. Straight after long time plong Ruth, long land plong Israel, I got one woman pake name plong hem Anna. Man plong hem, I love him, be Hannah I no glad too much from where tufala I no got one beginning nothing. Every year, only go long tapu house plong God long silo. Only karem all something plong make him sacrifice I go long God. Hannah I go long house plong God motalem say, hi God, suppose you think about me, you give him one beginning boy long me. Now pampai me give him I come long you long full life long him. Hem mi tok long God long mouth blong hem no more, pe voice blong hem ino come out nothing. Now Eli, we hem I one chief priest, I look hem mo I think se hem mi trong long wine. Pe high God I harem pray blong Hannah. Sometime I pass hem I ponem one small beginning boy mo I putum name blong hem Samuel. Picture 8. Small beginning Samuel is stop inside long house blong God. 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 24 to 28, chapter 2 verse 12 to 17, chapter 3 verse 1 to 21. Samuel hemi small boy yet. Mama plong hem, Hannah I give him hem I call long God. Hem I putum hem I stop with him Eli, long silo. Now Eli is stop teaching Samuel long walk plong high God. Eli emi got two boy, tufula two I walk all same priest. Pe fasin plong tufula ino good all gata. Now God is stop long talk long all man through long all priest. One night Samuel stop sleep inside long house plong God. One time no more God is sing out them name plong him. Now Samuel I run I go look Eli, mo I tell him say, Mia now you sing out them me. Pe Eli I tell him say, me no sing out them you go sleep. Pe emia I happen 3 times. Now Eli is say one time say God ya stop sing out them Samuel. Now emi tell him long Samuel say, Pai you answer long God, mo tell him say, Lord, you talk long me wokman plong you, Mr. Parem you. God emi talk long Samuel plant the time, mo hemi come one big fella prophet mo litap long Israel. Picture 9. Samuel I pray from Israel. 1 Samuel chapter 4 verse 10 to 11. God I punish him to fala pikini boy plong Eli, oli pintet long fight. Mo Israel stop antalohan plong Palestine. Palestine I rule over long Israel long 20 year. Now Samuel I talem long all people ya say, suppose you fala I tanem ting plong you fala long kampak long God, you fala I mas leave him all kiaman God plong you fala. Mo folem high God, we hemi true God. Now pampai hemi take him out you fala long hand long all Palestine. Now all man Israel only obey long Samuel, mo only come together long one place. Now Samuel I make him one sacrifice equal long God, mo I pray from Israel. All keta long Palestine only come together long fight against long Israel. But God is send them one big fella wind where I hot good I cover up all keta everyone. Now all Palestinian only fright too much, mo only run away, mo all keta long Israel only winning all keta everyone. Picture 10. Samuel I putum tabu oil long Saul. 1 Samuel chapter 8 verse 1 to 9. High God hemi true king plong Israel. Mo Samuel I lead him all people plong hem. Pe all man only want them one man plong hem become king plong Olgeta. From when Narafala tribe Olgeta only got king plong Olgeta. Samuel ino glad time hemi harem ol Tokia. Pe high God italem long hem se. All mania all stop make him ino good long me. Pe only no make him ino good long you. You listen long all mania, more you give him one king equal long altogether. He got one young man where name plong him Saul. Hemi one tall fella mo hemi look good too. One day Saul go plong visit him Samuel. Time Samuel look where Saul stop come, high God talk long Samuel. Heme now man we pampai I look out long all people plong me. Now Samuel I take him one good fala oil, emi capsite him long head long Saul. Hemia emi one son, se oli chusum hem olsem one king. Saul I rule Israel long 40 year. Picture 11. Saul I program close plong Samuel. 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 1 to 29. All rabbis fasten plong all Amalekite is strong too much. All stop make him inokut long all man Israel. Now Samuel italem long Saul, you must listen good long all talk long high God. You must kill him all Amalekite. More you must pull him every something long all geta. High God he help him Saul mo all army plong him plong fight against long all Amalekite. Pe only no listen long talk plong God. Only save him some animal plong all Amalekite plong make him sacrifice iko long God. Mo tu only no kill him king plong all geta. Now Samuel italem long Saul say, from where you no make him all command plong God, him reject him you all same one king. Now time Samuel I tanem hem plong go back, Saul I kirap mo I program close plong Samuel. Now Samuel I talem long Saul say, High God I program town kingdom plong Israel through long you, mo hem I give him iko long narafala man. All friend, Saul I make him sacrifice iko long God, pe hem I no listen long talk plong hem. Samuel I obey, mo I follow him good all tapu talk plong God, long full life plong hem. Fasten plong obey long talk plong God, I make him God I glad I win him fasten plong make him sacrifice I go long hem. Picture 12. Jesus is tap long house plong God. Luke chapter 2 verse 41 to 50. Plantea after long Samuel, Jesus I come one pikinini long Israel. Mary I mama plong hem. Time Jesus I got 12 year, hem I go down long Jerusalem, where Mary mo Joseph husband long Mary. Now Jesus I lose, mo Mary mo Joseph tufala I stop look out them hem. After long 3 day, tufala I find hem inside long tapu house plong God. Hem I stop teach about God long all Jewish teacher. Now Mary italem long hem say, mi fala I worry too much, long look out them you. But Jesus italem say, me must stop inside long tapu house plong papa plong me. Time Jesus I one small boy, all same Samuel, hem I save say hem I must make him walk plong God. Jesus I make him all man only come back long God. From high God I true God mo I king plong every man. Picture 13. David one for a strong man plong look out long sip. 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 1 to 13. Saul emi first for a king plong Israel, pe emi no obey long God. Now God I leave him Saul mo I no more help him. He got one young fella boy when name plong him David. Him stop look out long all sip plong papa plong him. Him trust him God all time, mo him no fright long any danger. One day one lion, he take him out one sip plong him. Now David he kill him lion, mo he take him out sip ya long him. Him stop make him all good fella music long him mo he stop sing praise iko long God. God he want them to must plong every man only must come all same David. Now God he choose David he come king after long Saul. Picture 14. David mo Goliath. 1 Samuel chapter 17 verse 1 to 54. Now he got one fight where he stopped between long old man Palestine mo old man Israel. Old Palestine only got one big fella man where he stopped with them all keta where name blong him Goliath. Now emi sing out long old man Israel italem say, you fella I choosum one man blong you fella blong emi come fight with emi. Suppose me killing me pampai mi fella I come slave blong you fella. But suppose me kill him pampai you fella I come slave blong mi fella. All man Israelia only fright too much long Goliath. Mo inokat man I fight with him from where him me strong too much. Now young fella boy David italem say, who ya man Palestine ya where ino save God. Pampai him ino mas make him ino good long all army blong high court. David ino fright nothing long big fella mania. God no more is save help him blong kill him mania itet. Now David I take him sling blong him I put one stone long him. Now I shoot straight long head blong big fella mania. Now Goliath I fall down. Now David I run I go close up long him. I take him out knife blong Goliath. Mo I cut him out head blong him. Now all army blong Israel only winning fight against long all Palestine. Picture 15. Saul I triumph long kill him David I dead. 1 Samuel chapter 18 verse 6 kokasem chapter 23 verse 29. First time Saul I glad to mas long David from where him he save him Israel. Mo all man Israel only love him David. Him he come one big fella soldier mo lita inside long Israel. Now Saul emi stop think no good long David. Mo emi want them killing David. One day David is stop making music long harp long him. He go long Saul. Now he got one rabbi spirit he go inside long Saul. Now him take him spear long him mo he sack him long David. Now David he go outside long spear. Mo spear he no spare him. After long time Saul he try long kill him David full of time. But him no sabe killing him. Planted man Israel mo Jonathan only stop help him David. But him stop run away he go long dry place long is save him life long him from Saul. Picture 16. David inol take him out life long Saul. 1 Samuel chapter 26 verse 1 to 25. Saul with him all army plong him only go plong arrest him David long dry place. Long night time where Saul with him all man plong him only stop sleep. David mo friend plong him and beside to fala he hide mo go inside long camp plong Saul. Abisai he want him plong he kill him King Saul. But David is stop him. Him he tell him say God pambai he pan se man where he kill him dead king ya plong him. David I karem spear mo bottle water long side long head plong Saul. Time where all he come out long come, David is sing out big one, plong wake him up all kataya where all stop sleep. Now italem long all kata say, you fella no look out good long master plong you fella. You fella I look, hemia spear plong king plong you fella. David italem long Saul, you look. Suppose me carry out life plong you today. Pambai God it take out life plong me too. After long something Saul is stop plong fasten plong I kill him David. Picture 17. David become king. 1 Samuel chapter 31 verse 1 to 7. All Palestine only come long fight against long Israel. Back again. King Saul mo Jonathan to follow it long fight ya. Now ol mania oli putum David ikam new fala king blong olkata long Israel. Hemi piltim palace blong hem long Jerusalem. I got italem long David say, me take him out you long place where you stop, look out long sip. Mo pampai you look out long ol man blong me long Israel. Pampai me make him name blong you ipikwan ol sem ol narafala big man where oli stop before finish long warrior. Now high God I give him power long David, more I make him strong long stop, look out long all man Israel from all enemy long all geta. Picture 18. David mo Bathsheba. 2 Samuel chapter 11 verse 1, Kokasem chapter 12 verse 20. One day David stop walk out on top long roof long house long hem. Now emi look one nice fella woman stop swim. Mo David emi want them Thomas plong I take him woman ya I come woman plong hem. Name plong woman ya Bathsheba. Woman ya emi wife plong Uriah where him too I one member inside long all army plong David. Uriah I go out long fight against long all enemy plong Israel. Now David is send a message I go long captain plong all army plong him. Plong oli mas make him plong oli kill him Uriah I dead long fight. Now David I take him Bathsheba plong emikam woman plong him. Pe high God inoklat long fasten where David I make him. Now firstborn beginning boy plong David mo Bathsheba I dead. Mo David I ask him God plong forgive him long rapis fasten where him I make him. Picture 19. One house plong God. 2 Samuel chapter 7 verse 1 to 29. David is sin against long God. No matter long fasten ya, him I love him God yet. Mo stop save him. Him I want them plong make him one big full house plong I save him God long him. Pe high God I tell him long him. Pampa you no save make him all same. From where you kill him plant him and finish dead. Pampa you got one pequeniny boy, more name plong him, emi Solomon. Him now pampai I build him house ya plong me. Pampai me bless him work plong him. David hemi prepare him plant something plong build him house ya before emi dead. Pe Solomon now I build him house ya I finish him good. House ya I take him 7 year plong finish him. Mo emi one good full house where I nice good. Now all man Israel all stop worship long house ya long Jerusalem I pit him 100 year I pass. Only no save forget them nothing where David I king plong olkata before. Picture 20. Jesus I come inside long Jerusalem. Matthew chapter 21 verse 1 kokasem 11. 1000 year I pass after long David, Jesus emi born, mo emi come out long line plong King David. Mama plong him Mary, when never man is stop with him. Jesus emi one strong wokman plong God. Him stop teach him all man plong save long God. Hemi make him plante miracle through long power plong God. Saul mo David, mo you me everyone, you me sin against long God. But Jesus he never make him one rapis fasten against long God. One day emi sit down long one small donkey, mo he go down long Jerusalem. All man only sing out long him, Hosanna long man Yahweh, he come out long line long David. Big fella honor more respect, he come long man ya where he come out long high God. All man only look service Jesus emi more high long David, emi king long all keta king long warrior. Picture 21. All pitching only fit him Elijah. First King chapter 16 verse 29 kokasem chapter 17 verse 6. After long King David mo King Solomon ikat some narafala king we only rule long Israel. One long olketaya name blong hem Ahab. Emikat one woman blong hem we name blong hem Jezebel. Mo fasin blong hem inokut olketa. Emi kilim plante wokman blong high court. Mo stop mekem blong olman olimas worship blong kiaman kotia pal. Elijah emi one man we hemi believe strong long God. Now emi go look Ahab mo italem long hem se. Long name blong high God ya blong Israel pampai inokat rain long next 3 year. Now God is sanem try time I come down long Israel. But through long hard time ya God is stop save Elijah. Now is sanem Elijah I call long one place name blong hem Jerit. Place ya ikat one water we hem is save ring long hem. Mo every day all pitchin ikaram kakai plong stop fitim Elijah long hem. Picture 22. Elijah long fire plong God. First King chapter 18 verse 16 kokasem 39. Long number 3 ya plong hard time ya Elijah is sing out them Ahab mo every man plong oliko anta plong one hill we name plong hem Mount Carmel. Now emitalem long olketa se. Suppose God ya emi true God pampa yufala imas behind long hem. Pes pospal emi God yufala imas make him worship long hem no more. Now all man ya only kill him one pool plong make him worship iko long pal. Now Elijah italem long high priest plong pal se. Yufala is sing out long God ya plong yufala. Mo mi pampai mi sing out long high God plong mi. Mo God we I answer long you me I putum fire hem now I true God. Long full day all priest plong pal only pray iko long God plong olketa. Only tanis round long sacrifice plong olketa. Mo only kat poti plong olketa long knife. Pe inokat one sign plong fire. Long afternoon Elijah I mekem rere sacrifice plong hem. Mo emi capsitem water iko round long hem. Now emi pray iko long God. One time no more fire I come down long heaven. Mo iponem every something we only ponem all same sacrifice. Mo tu iponem water ya. Now all man only look something ya. Mo only sing out big one. Say, High God emi true God plong you me everyone. Picture 23. Elijah iko anta plong heaven. First King chapter 19 verse 1 kasem 21. Elijah I kill him all prophet plong pal. From fasin plong olketa inokut olketa. Now Jezebel is stop trying plong kill him Elijah I dead. Elijah I fright too much. Now I run away iko stop plong try place. Long place ya God is stop tok long Elijah long hem mo Elijah ino mo fright pagaken. Elijah iko head long teach him all man long fasten long love him God mo obey long hem. Now Elijah I choose out Elisa plong hem is stop close up long hem long walk plong hem. One day to follow is stop walk out together. One chariot long fire I come down long middle plong to follow. Mo God I left him up Elijah I go on top long heaven through long one strong wind. Now Elisa I no more look face plong hem back again. Picture 24. Elijah, Jesus with Moses. Luke chapter 9 verse 28 kokasem 36. Long time plong Jesus 700 years after, Elijah he come back long wall back again. One day he come down long one hill with them Jesus mo Moses. Man ya where before he one big fella man blong God. He got 3 man he look 3 fella ya where close blong 3 fella is sign good long power blong God. Now high God he talk mo italem olsem. Hemia true pikinini blong me. Mo you fella he must listen long him. All friend. God mo ol narafala prophet ya oli pointiem finka long mifala iko long Jesus. Jesus ya I come plong 7 ol man hemitet long cross plong I pemaut fasen no good plong man mo emi life paken long death. Mo I give him life long yumi plong pampa yumi kasem life where inogat en plong hem. You fala I must listen long hem plong kasem good fala life ya.